Are you sick of being an affiliate marketing underdog? Tired of chasing traffic that never converts? What if you could unlock a 100% automated traffic engine that consistently delivers paydays? Imagine having evergreen traffic flow into your offers 24/7 on complete autopilot. Let's be honest, affiliate marketing can be a cutthroat game. You're consistently battling for attention, struggling to get traffic, and watching your competitors rake in the profits while you're left in the dust. Imagine having evergreen traffic flow into your offers 24/7 on complete autopilot. You've probably tried every traffic method under the sun, pouring money into paid ads that bleed your bank account dry, grinding out content for months with little to no results, spending hours on social media only to be drowned out by the noise, or gambling on solo ads that deliver bot clicks and plummeting conversion rates. You're not alone. Most affiliate marketers struggling to generate consistent targeted traffic. The competition is fierce, the algorithms are consistently changing, and it feels like you're always fighting an uphill battle. But what if I told you you have what it takes? What if you could finally unlock a flood of targeted traffic that would transform your affiliate marketing business overnight? Introducing Traffic Posting Zone. Imagine having a platform where you could showcase your expertise, promote your favorite affiliate products, and build a thriving community, all while enjoying a tidal wave of targeted traffic absolutely free. That's exactly what we've built. Our platform is engineered to be the ultimate traffic weapon for affiliate marketers at all levels, whether you're a complete newbie or a seasoned pro. We're giving you the power to dominate your niche. Here's how it works. Claim your account, unleash your expertise with killer reviews, and start sharing valuable tips. Dominate the search engines, social media, build your tribe, and cash in on commissions by driving laser targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. You can submit up to 30 posts every month for life and enjoy a never ending stream of targeted traffic. We've packed our platform with cutting edge features to help you maximize your results, including high converting profile pages, effortless post management, viral sharing, and built in SEO domination. With Traffic Posting Zone, you'll finally have the traffic you need to crush your competition and achieve your affiliate marketing goals. No more wasting time and money on dead end traffic sources. No more struggling to get your offer noticed. Traffic Posting Zone is more than just a traffic source, it's a movement. It's a community of ambitious marketers who are committed to helping each other achieve massive success. Share your insights, learn from the best in the business, and watch your online business grow. You're at a crossroads. You have two options: continue down the same path of frustration and failure, wasting money on ineffective methods. Seize the opportunity and dominate your niche with Traffic Posting Zone. Join our platform today and unlock the power of free, targeted traffic. Build your brand, grow your list, and generate massive profits. Finally achieve the affiliate marketing success you've always dreamed of. Every minute you delay is a minute you're losing out on potential traffic, leads, and sales. It's a minute you're giving your competition the upper hand. It's a minute you're sacrificing your dreams. If you're truly serious about transforming your affiliate marketing business, you need to act now. You need to seize this opportunity with both hands and refuse to let go. Don't let fear and doubt hold you back. The perfect moment is now. We're so confident that you love Traffic Posting Zone that we're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with your results, simply contact us within 30 days for a full refund. The choice is yours. You can continue struggling to get traffic and watching your competitors succeed. Or you can join Traffic Posting Zone and unlock the power of free targeted traffic. Click the button below and create your account today. You're either serious about affiliate marketing or you're not. If you're ready to stop struggling and start dominating, claim your account today. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the link below and create your account today.